How dare you say that about a sister?
Say what?
How can you fellas sit there and diss on that woman? I bet you wouldn't talk that way about that little blondie, blue-eyed, girly girlfriend.
Yo, don't be bringing Heather into this.
Look, I be bringing in anybody I want. And Señor Rojas, no crea usted que pueda insertarnos sin que nadie pueda entenderlo.
I was her Spanish tutor freshman year. Great accent, Gala. I'll give you a B+.
You know, I'm sure glad to see that you're enlightening our white friends to the more interesting African-American colloquial phrases like...
Hi, I'm Julianne Malvo. Welcome to the Black Issues in Higher Education video conference on contemporary gender relationships on campus. Catalyst Theater of Towson University is here with us, presenting examples of the disrespect that takes place on our college campuses today. Dr. Alvin Poussaint of Harvard University Medical School, is this really what's happening on our campuses today?
Well, I think it's probably diminished somewhat over the past several decades as men have gotten more educated.
That type of sexual objectification is one of the behaviors on a continuum that, taken to the extreme, turns into sexual assault and rape. So, although
unfortunately, what's too common is that this is the way we've been socialized in terms of language, behavior, communication, how we see women as men, and even how women have been socialized to see men. Some people think that this is okay, others don't see where the dangers are. And only too often we can't do any better, and I think that's...
This type of behavior, I think, amongst many of the community colleges.
The students are older, they're supposed to have better sense.
Well, we do have an older student population, a non-traditional population, but the behavior is more subtle with older students, but it really does have about basically the same outcome.
Groups of men together, a lot of times the men don't necessarily want to respond to women in this way. They don't want in their one-on-one relationships with women, but in a group context, they feel the support and the encouragement to act this way, even though it may not be how they feel.